Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the annoying beep sound from the GoPro. So this is how it sounds like. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to settings, click that. Then you want to go to camera setup. You want to keep on clicking until you see this music icon. Click on that and you have the choice of choosing either I don't think you can see that. Yeah, I don't know, but it says you have an option of choosing 100%, 70% or off. To take out the sound you have to click off, and that removes the annoying beep sound. Okay guys, that's all for today. Stay tuned to my channel to learn how to get rid of the annoying light that they have. So thank you, subscribe, like, comment, share, and goodbye.